Everybody, it's Professor Diane, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of how you can use Google Calendar to set reminders for your assignments so you're never late, and to set those deadlines for important assignments and things to do. So I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see exactly how to do this. It's very easy, and once you're in the groove of doing it, you will just love this. Okay, so what you're seeing in front of you is one of my emails. Doesn't really matter which email this is. You all know how to get to your North Shore Community College email. I'm going to direct you to this top right corner up here, the 9 little dots, which when you click on them, show you all the various Google apps that you have available to you as a North Shore Community College Gmail subscriber. So obviously we know what Gmail is. I hope you all know what Drive is. It's a amazing way to make sure that all your files are in the cloud, nothing gets lost. I don't keep a single thing on my computer anymore. It's all in the cloud on Google Drive. We know what this is. This is the search. You probably don't know that you all have your own version of YouTube that you can upload videos to. It's your channel. You can upload public videos. Again, make them educationally oriented, not your private personal stuff. You can make them unlisted or you can make them private. We're going to talk about the calendar. So I'm going to click on the calendar. And what you would do is you would set up your own calendar. So a calendar is going to come up and you're going to see that it's already quite filled in because it's my calendar, right? So I'm going to look at, as it's loading, this is showing me, I hope you can see this. This is showing me May of this year. Today is May 7th. And you can see some things are automatically added because you are a student of North Shore Community College. So you might see, dates for registration. That's what all this blue stuff is here, along with various holidays. That all comes together. Then it's up to you to add stuff to that. So let's say you are taking a brand new class and you have assignments due every Sunday. Let me show you how you do that. So I'm going to just I'm going to click on Sunday, the 17th of May, and I'm going to tell it to create something. So it's going to open up a sub window, and I'm going to say social media assignments due. So there's a couple things that I can do. I can make this a reminder, which only comes up once in the course of the day, or I can also set it up so that it reminds me several times during the day. So there's some basic information here, including the times. I'm going to click down here, I hope you can follow me, on more options. And so that's going to open up quite a wider window. So the first thing that I'm going to do is say it's an all-day thing for me because they're due every Sunday. And I'm going to say that this repeats weekly on Sundays. Right, so it's going to show up in my calendar every Sunday. Now here's where it gets really interesting. These notifications, reminders, these will show up in your email. You can make it so that it shows up on your phone. So I'm going to say add notification. I want to know one day, I want to know, it's not going to give me hours. One day before 9 a.m. And because this is due before 11:50, I want another one there. And then I might want another notification at, I don't know, noontime, 12 o'clock. And so I just go ahead and save that. And what's going to show up once we get back to my calendar is you will see every Sunday it says that I have social media assignments due, and you will get a reminder on your email if you've got it loaded into your phone 3 times during that day. Now let's say there's a big paper due in, I don't know, let's guess August 14th. I can click on August 14th, I can say, okay, I want something new. Sorry, create. I don't want to look at it that way. I like to look at it month by month. So create paper, media. Let's look at the date. Let's do August 14th at, just to give myself, you know, even though it might not be due until 11:59, I'm going to make sure that I get it done at the latest by 9:30. And then in my more options is when I'm going to start to set some reminders. So I'm going to get notifications 10 minutes before, an hour before. I can make it 10 days before, right? I can do all of those things and then I can save them. And so again, this is a great way to block out in your calendar what's going on. If we go back to my calendar, I'm going to go back to April just because my calendar was real full in April. You can see, here we go, everything that I was supposed to do in April, right? So every appointment I was supposed to have, everything that was due for me there, everything that was happening in my life was in this calendar. And then if I want to, I can add other calendars, like I added the North Shore Academic Calendar and I added holidays in the US. So I hope you use this because this could really make a huge difference for you in terms of making sure that your assignments are on time, making sure that you're not all stressed out about deadlines. Just know that you have something to do every Sunday that's due in writing or on Facebook or in Blackboard or somewhere. You got stuff due every Sunday night for the entire duration of your course with me. Thank you, and I hope this is helpful.